Here we have the mode selector switch from Radiator Grill Store for the 991.2 911s, the 718s, Macans with this mode selector style, Panameras, Cayennes. It fits all these with this gloss black center and this 33.5 millimeter outside diameter. You'll see that with these Sport, Sport Plus, etc. individual mode. This is the one that these fit. And this is a simple process of removing. We have our trim tool, which we do sell in the store. And we're just gonna reach behind here. We're gonna get in between the mode selector dial and the back. And we're simply gonna twist, and this is gonna pop right off. Popped right off. There it is. Save that for later. And we have this beautiful 911 991.2 with the racing yellow interior package, of which we matched with the mode selector switch here. You can see that match there. A couple things to note, there are alignment pegs in the back. We have a small alignment post where we has a recess, and then a fat one and a skinny one. What we want to do is match up this one in the middle with a window here. There's a window on the side here. The short fat post in the middle of these two alignment posts mates up with that. So we want to align that with the window. We'll simply slip it over until it snaps. And install is as simple as that. You can find these and more at radiatorgrillstore.com.